Welcome. Today I bring you good news of great joy.
Hide the lemon in this place and receive money in 24 hours. Many people have written to me asking to share the lemon ritual to increase luck and attract more financial income or make money last longer. Basically, this ritual aims to align a person's energy with that of money so you can attract economic prosperity in times of urgency.
Take note of the materials you will need: a lemon, a glass, a little bit of sugar, 4 coins, and a knife. You can perform this ritual any day of the week. To begin, put a little sugar in your glass. Take the lemon with both hands and gently squeeze it while you start meditating. Meditation is a powerful tool when it comes to attracting abundance into our lives. It's important to consider that abundance doesn't just refer to material wealth. It also includes spiritual richness, overall fulfillment, and gratitude towards the universe. Cut the lemon in half, but not all the way through from the bottom. Then, make another cut so that the lemon is divided into 4 equal parts, forming a cross. Remember not to cut through the bottom to keep the lemon intact. Now, we start placing the first coin in one of the cuts, then the second coin, and continue until all 4 coins are in place in the lemon cuts. Next, we sweeten our lemon by sprinkling a bit of sugar on top of the lemon. Carefully place it in your glass. Now, we will activate the method by saying the following decree: I release all resistance to attract money. I accept and receive unexpected money. I am a magnet for money, and prosperity is drawn to me. So be it. After this, you can leave the glass behind a door or near the window for 3 days, so that wealth comes to your home or business. After this time, take the lemon with a glove, put it in a bag, bury it, or leave it somewhere. As for the coins, you should place them where you usually keep all your money. Wash the glass and keep it for the next opportunity. Take these valuable tips and watch how the doors of abundance and prosperity open up for you. The universe conspires in your favor to provide you with the best. I want to remind you that with any technique, it is essential to have a positive mindset and energy. If you perform a technique while feeling sad and weak, it will have no effect. So, once you perform this lemon trick to attract prosperity, keep your mind always positive, and you will see how everything starts flowing better each day. Before going to sleep, express gratitude to God and the universe for the things you feel thankful for. You can do it mentally while lying in bed, or you can write it down and make a small list if that works better for you. It doesn't matter if it's something small. The key is to connect with the feeling of gratitude towards the universe. This way, we can receive everything we ask for, thanks to our faith and gratitude. If you liked the video, write in the comments, I am open to receiving abundance and success. I hope prosperity comes into your life, and may God bless you.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.